Hello, my name is Rafi Rahman, and this is my assignment 1 of HIT363, which is Enterprise IT Management. Today we'll be looking at the multinational company Zara, and we'll look through Zara's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats using the SWOT analysis. And we'll also look at their business process, and using BPMN tool we'll look at the map, the design process, and we will look at the future improvements and problems that arise to the current process. Okay, Zara is one of the largest multinational brands across the world and they sell designer clothing, and they have many other items such as perfumes, cosmetics, and etc. Okay, SWOT analysis is a tool which is used to assess the business performance, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats mainly. Okay. The strengths of Zara. The main strength of Zara is fast fashion, which is to identify, create, and sell the clothing as soon as the trend is recognized. Zara can do this in a few weeks rather than months, which is required in traditional fashion. Another strength of Zara is that they have a large brand value, which helps them to get recognized around the world easily and helps them to sell their products very fast. Zara's goodwill was valued at 13 billion US dollars in the year 2022. One of the weaknesses of Zara is that their products get stocked out very fast, which suppresses sales to rise and increase profit. Also, due to this problem, Zara is losing its customer base to rival brands such as Nike, Adidas, Gucci, Chanel. Another weakness of Zara is that there are rumors which suggest Zara suppliers are child labor and poor working conditions in many third world countries, which is ruining their goodwill, such as Bangladesh, Myanmar, India. Zara has many opportunities to thrive in the market, and one of the biggest opportunities for Zara is to sell fashionable clothing at an affordable price, which will allow them to increase their customer base and thus profit. Another opportunity for Zara would be to become eco-friendly by using reusable and environmentally friendly materials for their products, which will attract more customers and improve their brand image. Zara announced that by 2025 they would fully start using sustainable fabrics. World's 50% of the population wants sustainable and eco-friendly products, and as a result, Zara will have a large customer base if they become sustainable and eco. There are lots of threats to Zara, and one of the major threats to Zara would be the increase in the number of government regulations, which will require more money to maintain. As a result, the cost of production would rise and overall profit of Zara would fall. Another threat to Zara is its rising rival clothing brands such as Nike, Gucci, Chanel, Adidas, etc., who are equally dominating the market, and due to their diverse product portfolio, Zara may lose its market share. Okay, now we will look at the current business process of Zara's product design process. Firstly, the design team creates design based on customer wants and customer current fashion trends. The designs are then sent to be reviewed and approved by the development team, who then send it to the production team, after which the manufacturing of the product is started. The manufactured products are then sold at Zara stores. Sales demand data is collected from each store so that the design team can design and create new fashion trends and new products, design new products. Okay, here we'll look at this design process of Zara using the BPMN tool. Firstly, the start event, ideation and conceptualization of the product. Second is task, market research and trend analysis. Third is also task, design and development. Fourth is task, material sourcing. Fifth, sampling and prototyping. Sixth, product testing and quality assurance. Seventh, production. And eighth, lastly, end event, product launch. Using the BPMN tool, future improvements to the as-is process can be made by doing or by automating tasks. Automating tasks will help reduce the cost of production, increase production output, as well as improve safety of workers regarding dangerous works. Improving communication channels will allow two-way communication. As a result, Zara can take ideas from all of its employees, and this will increase their ideas and innovations. Optimizing inventory management will allow Zara to get rid of their unnecessary stock, which requires additional warehouse expenses. Thus, optimizing it will reduce the expenses. There are a lot of problems to the current process. One of the problem is poor communication. If there is a communication gap between different teams, then it will be difficult to execute the operation of producing a product. Also, it will slow down the manufacturing process and mistakes might arise. Inflexibility. The current process might not be flexible to adaptations, and as a result, Zara might not be able to analyze what the customer wants, and thus their products might fail to sell. Thank you.